Today we're excited to introduce to you the all-new RYOBI 18-volt 1 Plus 1800 watt power station, RYOBI's largest 18-volt 1 Plus power solution to date. This innovative all-new product provides 3000 starting watts and 1800 running watts, all from the power of 18-volt 1 Plus batteries, making this an ideal portable solution for when you're out on the job site, out camping, at the tailgate, or if the power goes out at home. The quiet operation and zero emissions allow this power station to be utilized indoors to power appliances such as a television, a refrigerator, fans, a Wi-Fi router, and more. This is an ideal solution for if the power goes out, offering 1800 watts of clean power and eliminating any worry of needing to go outside in inclement weather to refill a gas generator or any of the carbon emissions that come from gas power. Pure sine wave technology makes it safe to use with sensitive electronics such as projectors, cameras, or other audio-visual equipment, as well as your personal devices such as a mobile phone, a tablet, a personal computer, or a gaming console. With the batteries included in the kit, this power station can provide up to 10 hours of runtime for a television, meaning you can stream all the games morning and afternoon while out tailgating. If the power goes out, this power station has the ability to run your refrigerator, your television, a Wi-Fi router, and keep your phone topped off simultaneously. This power station can be run in parallel via the Parallel Kit, sold separately on HomeDepot.com, which allows users to connect two power stations in parallel. The onboard LCD screen provides information on battery level as well as load level. Up to 2 power stations can be monitored using the RYOBI Gen Control app. The app allows you to monitor battery levels and power consumption, remotely shut off the unit, and even reset it from your mobile device. This unit includes the capacity for up to 8 18-volt 1 Plus batteries, and in the kit version, included in the box are 4 RYOBI 18-volt 1 Plus 6 amp hour high-performance lithium batteries. If the inverter is running low on battery, replace a depleted battery with any 18-volt 1 Plus battery without losing power to keep your devices powered on. On the unit itself, there are 9 total outlets. There are 3 120-volt AC 15 amp outlets, 2 USB-A 12-watt max outlets, 2 fast charge USB-A 18-watt max outlets, and 2 USB-C 45-watt max outlets. Also included in the box is a charging adapter that will allow you to use this power station as a charger for not only the batteries included, but any RYOBI 18-volt 1 Plus batteries you have that may need to be recharged. This 18-volt power station will be available both in a kit configuration with 4 6 amp hour high-performance batteries, as well as in a tool-only configuration exclusively at HomeDepot.com starting in summer 2023.